Hi and welcome to this course. In this video we will finish the migration process. Right now I am on my live website buildwithshubham.com and you need to go ahead and log in into your website. So just go ahead and log in, and after that just go to the dashboard and we are going to install the plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new, and here we will search for all-in-one WP migration. If you remember, in the last video I told you that there are a couple of steps. The first step is to install this plugin on the localhost and then export it, and the second part of the process is to install the same plugin on our live server and import that file. Alright, here is our all-in-one WP migration. Click on install now, and after installing we need to activate it. So I will wait for a couple of seconds for the installation to complete, and then I will hit on activate. The plugin is installed. Click on activate. To activate the plugin, you already know this, we talked about this in the plugin section, and now we have one more option here, and we can export, import, and we can go to backup. In the last video we exported a file, so in this video we are going to import one. And here you can see we can now import our website. To import your website, click on import from and then click on file. And then go to the location where you downloaded that file and then select the file and click on open. And this importing process will take some time because you are uploading a file to your live server, so this will take 1 or 2 minutes depending on your internet connection. So just be patient, give it some time. Your live website is copying all that data, all that information to your live website, so this will take some time. So be patient and I will see you at the end. Alright, so it has uploaded the file. Now just wait for some more time and then you will see this warning. The warning says the import process will overwrite your website including the data, the media, the plugins and theme. Please ensure that you have a backup before proceeding to the next step. We don't need to have a backup because we are importing this site to a fresh installation. But if you are importing a website to a real website, a website that has data, then make sure that you keep a backup because this might go wrong. So if you are importing this site on a real website, then make sure that you have a backup, okay? But right now we don't need to consider that because we are importing it on a fresh WordPress installation. So click on proceed when you are ready. Click on proceed. And this will take some time, so just wait. The WordPress is doing all that setting, all that restoring for you, so just give it some time and then we will have to log in into this website. It will log us out. Alright, our site has been imported successfully. It says that we have to do some setting. We have to do permalink structure setting and we have to review the plugins. So we will do that, but first click on finish and click on refresh. And now we need to log in using our username and our password. But here is one thing that you should know. You cannot log in into this website using the username and the password that you set during the installation through the cPanel. You can't do that. We need to log in into this website using the password that we set on our local host. And the reason is that we have imported that website and we have changed this build with shubham.com website with that website. So we need to log in using our localhost website username and password. So my localhost username was Shubham and the password was 1234567 1234567 and then I need to click on login. Alright, we are inside the dashboard and now we need to go to setting and fix the permalinks. So go to settings and click on permalinks and select the URL structure that you want. I want the post name URL structure. If you want the category and then the post name, you can go for that as well, but I'm fine with the post name structure. Then click on save changes and then we will go to the plugins area and we will delete this plugin because we don't need it anymore. So I will delete this one first, and after that I will delete this plugin, and after that I will deactivate all-in-one WP migration because we don't need it anymore, and then I will delete it. And now I will go to the home page, and you can see we have imported our localhost website into our live website. But here is one more thing that you should do. The password that we set for our website on localhost was really big. It was just 1234567 8, but we cannot have that password on live server. We need to have a secure password, otherwise hackers will hack our website. So you need to change your password right now. So just go to your profile. I will click on this one, and then I will click on edit profile, and then I will change my password. So I will scroll down and I will click on set new password, and I will type a password that is strong. So yes, now password is really good, and I will click on update profile, and my profile has been updated. I will log out, and I will log in again using the new username and the password. So my strong password is this, and login, and I am in. So that's it for this video. Just make sure that you change your password. It is extremely important. Alright, that's it for this section. We have successfully migrated our website to the live server. We have our website up and ready on our live server. So that's it for this video. That's it for this section, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.